Ow! Time to unbox a box. Let's use our loot crate. Hulkamania Hulk. Oh no! Let's try the Voltec guy. Actually, no, I don't want to break it. Let's use the Best Buy gift card. They send a ginormous box to put another box inside of it that's even smaller. Look at this. Hey! Ow! Done. Hitman! Okay, let's open this. Alright. Okay, so I see the code. I can't show you this because then this is going to just give you the game. So I'll just put this to the side. Okay, we got the tie? Let's see if it's a real tie though. It's a pen. I don't know how it works, but I think it keeps the two folds together. What else do we have in here? Hitman Go. And it has artwork. This actually looks like a really nice level. Okay, yes. Nice scenery in these levels. I love the artistic part of it. What else we have in here? Get my geek voice going on here. Okay, let's flip it upside down and let's see. Let's see the content of this other box that is in here. And okay, there is styrofoam in here. Oh wait, I'm thinking it's like half I'm pulling out. It's the whole thing in styrofoam. Finally done! Okay, and it's out! At last! I always do that! Alright. And let's take the casing out. Okay. Wow, so check it out. It is the Hitman himself sitting on his chair contemplating exactly what he's going to do. Look at the shoes. Shoes is very detailed. Oh my goodness. And the way his hand is nicely crafted. Turning that silencer. His eyes look very devious, like he's got no life except what he needs to do. The couch is a very nice looking couch. Look at this thing. It shows that it's got weight when he's sitting on it. You can see a little wrinkle on the bottom. And it actually, I want one of these couches. It's one of those very simple office couch looking things where you go to, like, say, a doctor's office or something. And the most intriguing part about this is actually the floor. It's actually very, very shiny. It looks like a real polished wooden floor. And his the details on this is really nice. It's really, really nice. definitely a icebreaker for anyone coming into your house and wondering what is that statue over there. It's a Hitman. Yes. Okay. Anyways, that'll do it for this unboxing. Wow. Maybe I should try on the tie and see exactly how it looks. Why not? It won't hurt to try.